In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to your TikTok profile and click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side. Now select Settings and Privacy, click on Account, click on Deactivate or Delete Account. And if you want to temporarily deactivate your account, you can click on this top option. But if you want to go and permanently delete your account, click on this option at the bottom. Now you can select a reason why you're leaving. I'm just going to press skip in the top right hand side. If you want to be sent a copy of all of your information before you go and delete your TikTok, you can do this by clicking request download. I'm just going to skip this and agree to the terms and conditions and press continue. Now, as you can see, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And then after the 30 days have finished, your account is going to be permanently deleted. Now, this means all of your personal information and any data relating to TikTok will be removed and deleted. So if you're happy to do this, press continue, and then you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your registered email. And that's how you permanently delete a TikTok account.